National Arid and Land Development and Research Institute is located at Islamabad. Arid Zone Research Center of Park is situated at Quetta. Dhar coalfield is the biggest coalfield of Pakistan. An M1 motorway is Islamabad-Peshawar. NEC Company set up Pakistan's first TV station. 3 radio stations were working at the time of partition. Total length of Indus Highway is the new name of Dibble as Banpuri. Garo Creek is a lake. Lahore Fort is situated near Thatta. Ranjit Singh sold Kashmir for 75 lakhs. Punk, a state of Kashmir, fought with Dogra by obtaining arms from tribal areas. 10 seats are reserved for non-Muslims in National Assembly. Frank Misiri was the first CNC of armed forces. The religion of Tamil is Hinduism. There is only one female university in Pakistan. Kohat is the oldest cantonment of the country. Shalimar Garden was built in 1642 AD. Faisalabad is commonly known as Little Manchester. Harappa is located at Sahiwal. The tomb of Jahangir is located at Shahadara. Tomb of Noor Jahan is located at Lahore. Adak Fort was built by Akbar. Here Ranyaha was written by Waris Shah. Soni Mahiwal was written by Hashim Shah. Sindh is called Babul Islam. Chak was the father of Raja Dair. Katai Bandar is the name of a coastal area. French Beach is located at Karachi. Ranakot Fort is located near Hyderabad. www.Thilpaparwardi was born in Basra. Nizam ul-Mulk Tasi was famous for his wisdom. USA is ruled by a power elite, said C. Wright Mills. Hub Dam supplies electricity to Sindh. The number of divisions in the province of Sindh is 5. Total districts in the province of Sindh are 22. Naib Subedar is the lowest commissioned officer of Pakistan Army. River Kabul joins Indus River at Adak. Mirani Dam is under construction near Turbat. Shashma Right Bank Canal on the Indus River provides water for Jhelum River. Jinnah Station was established in continent Asia on January 25, 1990. Jinnah Station was established in continent Asia on January 25, 1991. National Institute of Silicon Technology was established in 1991. Rawalpindi, a region of Punjab, is free from the problem of water logging. Jhelum River joins Chenab River near Trimu. River Ravi originates in the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. Shashma Barrage was built in 1971 on river industry. Warsak Dam was built in 1960 on River Kabul. Raval Dam was built in 1965 on River Karang. Pakistan's oldest archaeological site is situated near Larkana. Ayub Park covers an area of 2,300 acres. Kra is the main source of gypsum in Pakistan. Sain Dak is famous for copper, silver, and gold. Adak Oil Refinery is located in Rawalpindi. 43% of the gas is obtained from Sui. Peshawar means city of flowers. Lahore Fort was built in 1560. National singer, Noor Jahan, died on December 23, 2000. Taxila is located B/W Jhelum and Industry. Mahbubul Haq Human Development Center is located at Islamabad. Nasir Abad region of Balochistan will be irrigated through Kachi Canal. Violation of Indus Basin Treaty 1960, India has constructed Wular Barrage on River Jhelum. Water flows of the river are diverted to Wular Barrage through the construction of Kishan Ganga Dam. India is constructing Kishan Ganga Dam in Baramulla. India has constructed Baglahar Dam in occupied Kashmir's district of Doda. Akhori Dam. Location: across Nand Nakas near Akhori village about 28 km east of Adak, Punjab. Wakhan is a narrow strip of land which separates Afghanistan from Pakistan. Hoysals was a kingdom of south during Ali-ud-Din Khilji's period. Raja Taranjini is a book on history of Kashmir written by Pandit Kakan. Kashak-e-Siri was the name of the palace of Ali-ud-Din. Ustad Isa was the chief architect of Taj Mahal Agra. Mahabat Khan was a renowned general of Jahangir. He arrested Jahangir and Noor Jahan. Malik Kafur was a general of Ali-ud-Din Khilji. He conquered Deccan. Alai Darwaza was the structure constructed by Ali-ud-Din Khilji near Qutb Minar in 1311 AD. Tariq-e-Alfi was a history written by a team of historians during the reign of Akbar. Nasir-ud-Din Qubaka was a lieutenant of Muhammad Gauri and served as governor of Multan. Durgavati was the ruler of Gondwana and was defeated by Akbar in 1564 AD. Mahem Anaga was the foster mother of Akbar the Great. Gulbadan Begum was the sister of Mughal king Humayun. She wrote Humayun Nama. Infallibility decree was a document signed by Akbar in 1597, which authorized him to act as the supreme arbitrator in civil and ecclesiastical affairs. Battle of Plassey, 1757, was fought between the ruler of Bengal and East Indian Company. Lucknow Pact, 1916, provided for the representation of Muslims in the provincial legislative councils in the proportion of 1/2 of the elected members in Bengal to the Muslims. The August Offer, 1940, was aimed at offering greater share to Indians in services. Nader Shah, king of Persia, marched into Delhi in 1739.